Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn subtraction using addition. Students, as we have already learned how we can subtract 4-digit number in our previous lecture, but there is a need to check whether our answer is right or wrong. For this, we have to check our answer. For this, here is very simple method by which we can find easily whether our answer is right or wrong. So let us start. For knowing about this method, first of all, we will do subtraction of 4-digit numbers. So here is an example. First example is 5632 minus 2343. So first of all, we will subtract these two numbers and then we will check whether our answer is right or wrong. So let us start. So first of all, what we will do? We will write these number in place value chart. These are 4-digit number. So I will write here 4 places, 1's place, 10's place, 100 place and then 1000 place. Now for subtracting, we will write larger number at top and smaller number at bottom. So write here place wise 2 1's, 3 10's, 600, 5000. This is one number. Now write second number in the same way 3 1's, 4 10's, 300 and 2000. This is bigger number and this is smaller number. So first of all, we will subtract these two numbers. We will put sign of minus here. For subtraction, as you know, we will start subtraction from right side, that is from 1's place. So first of all, 2 minus 3 at 1's place, but this is not possible. 3 is greater than 2. We can't subtract 3 from 2. We will take borrow from 10's place and this place will increase by 1's and this place will decrease by 1's. Now here I will write 12. This place increase by 10's. Now at 1's place 12 minus 3. Here I will get 9. Now 1's place is complete. Move to 10's place. At 10's place here is 2 and here is 4. We can't subtract 4 from 2. So what we will do? We will take borrow from 100 place. So it will become 12 minus 4. It will decrease by 1's and it will become 5 and it will become 12. So 12 minus 4, here I will get 8. Now move to 100 place. At 100 place 5 minus 3. What will we get? We will get here 2. Now at 1000 place again 5 minus 2. So we will get here 3. So 5 minus 2, 3. So this is our subtraction. Now you know this is called difference and this is bigger number and this is lower number. Now we will check whether our answer is right or wrong. For this we will write here again places, 1's place, 10's place, 100 place and 1000 place. Because these are 4-digit numbers, so we will write here 4 digits. Now first of all write here the difference. As you know this is called difference. So we will write here difference 9, 8, 2 and 3. Now we will add one number to this difference. Now which number is this? This is lower number. Means for verifying our subtraction, we will add difference to the lower number. Now write lower number in the same way, place wise 3, 4, 3 and 2 and put a plus sign here. Now we will add these two numbers. 9 plus 3, 12, 1 carry. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13, again 1 carry. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. Now here 3 plus 2, 5. So our answer is 5632. So this is equal to the bigger number. It means our subtraction is right. It means for subtraction, first of all we will subtract the numbers, and for verification we will add the difference to the lower number. If it is equal to the bigger number, then our subtraction is right, otherwise it is wrong. Let us discuss another example. Second example, 9435 minus 6358. Now again we will subtract these numbers. So first of all, put these numbers in place value chart. Ones place, tens place, hundred place, and then thousand place. Now write bigger number place wise. 5 ones, 3 tens, 400 and 9000. Now second number is 8 ones, 5 tens, 300 and 6000. First of all, subtract these two numbers, put a sign of minus here. Now from right side, that is ones place, we will subtract numbers. Now 5 minus 8 at ones place is not possible because 8 is greater than 5. So we will take borrow from tens place. This number will increase by tens and it will become 15, and this number will decrease by ones. So it will become 2. Now at ones place, 15 minus 8, what we will get? We will get here 7. Now our ones place is complete. Move to tens place. At tens place, 2 minus 5, which is again not possible. 5 is greater than 2. So we will take borrow from 100 place. Now this place will increase by ones and will become 12, and this will decrease by ones and will become 3. Now 12 minus 5, again 7. So I will write 7 here. Now move to 100 place. 3 minus 3 is possible? Yes, 3 minus 3 means 0. Move to 1000 place. At 1000 place, 9 minus 6, here I will get 3. So our difference is 3077. Now for verification, we will add these difference to lower number. So first of all, write places: ones place, tens place, 100 place, and then 1000 place. Now write the difference place wise: 7703. Put a plus sign here, and here I will write lower number, that is this number, 6358. Now we will add these two numbers place wise. Addition from right side, that is ones place. So add 7 plus 8, what we will get? We will get 15. So 5 here and 1 carry. 7 plus 5, 12, plus 1, 13, 3, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. Now at 1000 place, 3 plus 6, 9. So our answer is 9435. It means our answer is equal to the bigger number, that is 9435. So our answer is equal to bigger number. When we are adding difference to the lower number, we are getting a number which is equal to bigger number. It means our answer is, that is our subtraction is right. In this way we can subtract numbers, whether this is 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit numbers or large numbers. The method is same. First of all, we will subtract numbers and then we will add difference to the lower number. If our answer is equal to bigger number, then it means our subtraction is right.